Alright, so in this video I want to show you how to replace the battery on a Schlage BE365 keypad deadbolt. So to start, you need to go to the interior assembly of your lock, and now you need to take off this battery cover. But first you need to remove the screws. So let's go ahead and remove the screws. Now remove the cover. Now you can now remove the battery this way and disconnect it. Now you need to get your new battery. So here, connect it. Put it back in. And you can now replace the cover. And then get the screws back in. So that's it. That's how to replace the battery on a Schlage BE365 keypad deadbolt. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.